Okay, so this is our beautiful caravan for the few days, and this is where we're going to go. Let's go for a walk to the park entrance from where we are. Super close. Nice little backdrop. Spin it around. So what you do is you either turn right into the park or left to the shop and reception area. Obviously we don't need the reception today, and you can see the balloons where we turn right, but that's just where the park entrance is. So it's what, 100 yards? Probably about 100 yards. It's really close. Normally load this stuff onto YouTube, but Facebook's been my favourite platform at the moment. Don't know why. I guess it's because you guys are there. Oh, the balloons. We've changed that round many times. That used to be over the other side, as you probably know. Early morning, 10 o'clock. Security's on, look. Checking everyone. No one's there really. Oh, he's there. Security's there. Oh no, he's a ride operator. And you're met by the cliffhanger, which we were showing earlier. Mambo Jumbo. And Kamali, I think that was called. I can hear it. I can hear the chains going. The sun's bright over here. Oh, it's going up. Holy shit, it's going up. There it goes. Watch this drop. This vertical will drop in a minute. There it goes. My heart's not good enough for that. Upside down. Wow. Upside down again. It's actually quiet as well. It's only taking about 10-15 minutes for queuing as well. That's pretty good. Oh, cliffhanger's going now. And here's the reception area and the shop, which is next door. Good size for everything. Further down there for the tours is the laundrettes. So this is where we get you. This is where you expect it is. It's just behind the that little rock bit there. Just out here, you can see the legs dangling away. Just watch it. Just shoot them up. There you go. So I drone up here, say we're about 60 metres up, I reckon. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I don't know, I'm thinking 50-60 metres it was when I had the drone up yesterday. In fact, no, we're above it, so it could have been maybe 40, 50, about 50 metres out. Then just clings you there, you get all the views, and then it just drops you. Just that feeling when you're dropping down, it's just like you think you're going to hit the floor, you're not safe, and obviously you get the safety, you're relieved. Once you start getting lower down, you feel like relieved and happy, and you enjoy it a bit more. Yeah, I'll go on that today.